Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Richard Lin and I'm the logistics consultant from Team Global Logistics. Today I'm going to introduce you a faster way to move your products to your destinations. This is the so-called Transload. We all know that logistic efficiency will affect how quickly the goods can be moved from the factory to the store shelves. Even though COVID-19 has finished 2 years ago, the transit time from the Asian factory to the US destination still hasn't come back to the level before the pandemic. Why? Because the process time in ports and warehouse hasn't come back to pre-pandemic level because of the labor shortage. But right now we have another option, that is the transload. Well, what is a transload? Simply speaking, transload means unloading the cargo from the container at the discharge ports, then loading to the 53-feet trailers and deliver the cargo to the final destination. This way, your goods don't have to wait the containers to be transferred from ports to the inland rail ramps. They can reach the destination much faster. Well, let's dive into this magical process. Process 1. Arrival notice. First of all, if we already knew we choose the transfer mode, we will only book the container to the discharge port. However, if you want to switch to the transfer mode after the container already passed from the loading port, you have to notify us 10 days before the vessel arrives the discharge port. This will give the shipping line the time to inform the vessel and the port operations. For example, 7 days before the vessel arrives the discharge port, our agent in USA will receive the arrival notice from the shipping lines. And our agent will pass it to the custom broker to prepare for the custom clearance. Usually the custom clearance is filed 5 days before the vessel arrives the discharge port. Process 2. Import custom clearance. The custom broker will submit the entry form to the CBP and handle the custom clearance process. For the products require the special permits such as the FDS certificate or Lexus Act compliance, additional fees will apply. And if the container is subjected to CBP inspection, will be inspection fees. After finishing the custom clearance, the importer will need to pay the import duties, HMF, MPF to CBP before picking up the container. Process 3. Picking up the container and transport to the transload warehouse. Once the ship arrives at the port, the container will be discharged at the terminal. For the ocean freight to USA, TSC is already included in the ocean freight fees, so there will be no extra charge happening in the port. Our agent will keep checking for the status of custom clearance and when we can pick up the container from ports. After custom clearance, trucking company will pick up the container and transport it to the transload warehouse, where you will be unloaded and reloaded to the 53-feet trailers for final delivery. Process 4. Deliver to the final destination. Transload mode usually uses 53-feet trailers. It can carry as much cargo as the 40 high-cube container can do. Once the goods are loaded onto the trailer, a new seal is applied and a new delivery order will be issued with the final destination and cargo details. It typically takes 4 to 7 days for the trailer to reach inland cities such as Chicago, Minneapolis, from ports like Seattle or Los Angeles. Upon arrival, the trailer will wait for on-site unloading. If unloading takes more than 2 hours, waiting time fee will be applied. So while transload mode can significantly reduce the transit time. The overall cost will be slightly higher than traditional FCO intermodal service. That's all for today. If you have any logistic needs, please contact me. I'm Richie from TGL. See you next time.